What are you looking for, Cal?
Eggs.
Eggs? Is there any in there? What about having a little look under the train table? Anything there? No? What about on the shelf where all your little books are? Is there anything over there? What did you find? A little egg! Oh, pop it in your basket. Yeah, good job. Any more? I wonder, could it be hiding, maybe, where do you sometimes go to hide? You sometimes go to hide behind the door, don't you? Do you think there might be some eggs back there? Sometimes you hide behind the door, don't you? That's right, don't forget your basket. Good call, buddy. What about your bedroom door? Sometimes you hide there. Not Mama's bedroom. What about your bedroom? No, none behind that door. Huh. What about this door? Have a little look and see. I could be wrong, but there might be one back there. Have a look behind your door. Wait a minute! What did you find? Oh, what's in there, Callie? What is it? Ooh, crunchy Joes. Oh, yummy. Wow, that's some good crunch. Can you share one with the mama bear? Oh, thank you, love bug. That was a good one. Yummy. Ooh, that was a nice little treat inside your egg. That's neat. Do you need any help closing it up? They're kind of tricky, aren't they, to close? Would you like some help?
Help.
Okay. Thank you for asking so nicely. There you go. Pop it in your basket. Is there more back there? No, not there. No? You're looking so carefully? No, none inside the garbage truck book. Huh. I wonder where else we haven't looked. Oh, you know, we haven't looked by this on the sofa, have we, over here? Maybe we should climb up there and have a little look around. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's another one. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Oh, there must be goodies in there, too. What's in that one? More Jojos. Are they yummy?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Is there any under there? Not under there.
On the floor.
Oh, you found a Jojo. Did it fall out? Funny money. What's the Peter Cottontail song? Can you sing it for me?
Up and down.
Here comes Peter. Hopping down.
I help you.
Oh, you did it all by yourself. Hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. Are you hiding one for me? I don't know where that one went. I'm going to have a look for that. I wonder where it might be. Wait a minute. You found it again. Click, 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 click. There's goodies in there, I think. Aha! Crunch. Crunch.
It's a goodie.
It's a goodie. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Oh my goodness. Thank you, love. What a great share. Thanks, Bubby.
It's so crunchy candy.
It's like crunchy candy, isn't it? But it's just a cheery Let me see it. Yummy. Crunch. Peter Cottontail hides little chocolate bunnies, doesn't he? We don't have chocolate bunnies today. Just Joe's O's. But they're yummy, huh?
Mama.
What's in that one? That one's empty. Wait a minute. Pop. Oh, sprinkle, sprinkle. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop.
There's nothing in it.
There's nothing in it. It's because you gobbled it all up.
It's like,
Just like, what likes to gobble things up? Maybe a crocodile? Or what else likes to gobble things up? A red something?
A gorilla.
Oh, a gorilla. Oh, yeah. I bet you a gorilla would like to gobble food up, wouldn't he? Gobble, gobble, gobble. I think there's some more eggs. I think there might be one hiding in the living room. Maybe near all your trucks and things. I reckon we should give it a check. Don't forget your basket. You're going to need something to carry them all in, aren't you? Pop. That was a good sound. Oh, you gobbled those ones up already. Need some help, Lovey? Yeah, I can help you. They're kind of tricky, aren't they, to open and close? Put that one there. And that one there. Let's go see if there's any beside your trucks. Wait a minute! There's one in the bathroom. Oh, and I hear it shaking. That means there's something in there. Oh, yummy. What do you hear? You hear some music playing? You dancing? That's a funny song. Singing a song. La la. Is that good stuff in there, Bobby Lulu? Oh, I see a little balloon hiding underneath our table. It's a funny place to hide. You're transfixed. Do you like that song? Silly song. Oh wow, yeah, rock it, buddy. Doodle doo 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 doo. Yeah, that's some funky music right there. Doodle doo 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 doo. That's Rafi, isn't it? He's singing the. What's this one called, Callie? Can you remember what this one's called?
Schmenge polka.
Schmenge polka. That's right, love. I see another egg. Can you see it? It's hiding over there. You're going far away from the egg. I think if you move closer to Mama, you might find it. Come a little bit closer to me and I think you'll find it. Little bit closer. What about near your trucks over there? You think it might be in there? Beside your high chair and all your big trucks? Where's your high chair? You think it might be somewhere nestled in amongst all your trucks in there? Wait a minute! I give you a lot of help for that one. You found it. That one's empty. Bye-bye, pink egg. You found it! That's the last egg. What, love?
Goody.
Oh, goody. That's right. Hey, Cal, tell me something. Did you have fun with your egg hunt? Did you like it?
Yes.
Yeah? Good job. I'm glad you enjoyed it. And now you just have to rock out.
Come, Mama.
What, love?
Come here.
What are you doing?
Take the camera away.
Take the camera away. Okay, I'll say goodbye to the camera. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good job.